In this video, I will show you 2 quick ways to split a card into multiple slides in Gamma AI. Let's get started. I'm starting here on my dashboard and I'm going to open up my recent project titled Video AI Tool to enter the editor. Once the slides load, I'll navigate over to the third slide in the sequence, which contains the 4 core Video AI functions. This card has a lot of information, so it's the perfect candidate for a split. The first way to do this is by using the slash command. I'll click my cursor right before the text I want to move, then I'll type a / on my keyboard. A menu appears, and I'll simply select the Split Card Here option. As you can see, the content below my cursor is immediately moved to a brand new slide. Now let me show you the second way, which is a handy keyboard shortcut. I'll click into the next section where I want another break to happen. Instead of using the menu, I'm just going to type 3 asterisks in a row. The moment I hit that third asterisk, Gamma recognizes the shortcut and automatically generates a new card for that content. I'll take a quick look at the sidebar on the left to confirm that my single long slide has now been organized into 3 separate clean cards. This is a fantastic way to improve the flow of your presentation without having to manually copy and paste text back and forth. It keeps my workflow fast and my layout professional. And there you have it. That's the complete process of splitting a card into multiple slides in Gamma AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.